Assalamualaikum and hi to Mr. Said. My name is Muhammad Hanik. I'm from Diploma Informasi SEM 3. So today I want to do a presentation introduction pharmaceutical technology. So my topic is hardness test and friability test. So the introduction is tablet a solid dosage form of medicaments which or without excipient formed by compression or molding and designed for oral administration and local systematic effect. To determine whether a pharmaceutical tablet meets certain criteria in order to be labeled as a high quality medicine, it is a process by which a manufacturer assesses actually quality performance, compare it to standard and determine the causes of deviation from the other standard in order. So this is the method of hardness test. Tablet hardness testing is a laboratory technique used by pharmaceutical industry to verify a tablet breaking point and structural integrity, as well as to determine how it changes during storage, shipping, packaging, and handling before use. A tablet breaking point is determined by its form. It resembles friability testing, however, they are not the same. Crushing strength test is another name for this test. The force required to break a tablet in diametric compression test is known as the tablet hardness. So this is the first equipment that we use in hardness tester. This equipment called Monsanto hardness tester. A tablet is placed between the moving and stationary jaw. In this situation, the screw knob is used to move the moving jaw and provided pressure on the tablet. A scale is used to mark the moment at which the tablet begins to break down. Is the hardness measured in kilogram per square centimeter. So the procedure of using the Monsanto hardness test is place the sample tablet in vertical holding edges of anvil of Monsanto hardness tester. Adjust the pointer at 0 position on the scale by rotating the screw in forward direction. And next is rotate the screw till break point of the tester. The breakage of tablet show a hardness on the scale. Repeat the procedure 8 to 10 times for average reading. Record the observation in inspection sheet and attach in BMR. So the next is Pfizer hardness tester. This is the second one common use equipment in the hardness test. When the plier like handle of Pfizer tester are grabbed, the tablet is compressed between a holding anvil and a piston coupled to a force reading gauge. Reading gauge marked on the point at which the tablet begins to break down. The official standard of hardness test is 5 to 8 kg for standard compressed tablet, except effervescent tablet, dispersible tablet, oral dispersible tablet, and chewable tablet. More than 8 to 12 kg for sustained release tablet and controlled release tablet. The factor that could be affect the hardness of tablet is speed compression, process parameters, and formulation variable. Precaution of hardness test is thickness of the specimen should not less than 8 times the depth of indentation to avoid indentation should not be made nearer to the edges of a specimen. So the next one is method operation of friability test. Friability testing is a laboratory procedure used by the pharmaceutical industry to determine the reliability of tablet while in transportation. Friability tests tell how much mechanical stress tablets are able to withstand during their manufacturing, distribution, and handling by the customer. So this the first equipment that we use is Rocher fibrillator. So this is the procedure how to use it. So the first one is take 20 tablets and take initial weight of it and put it into fibrillator. Now rotate the drum at 25 rpm per min or 100 rpm for 4 minutes. During this tablet gets dropped on plastic from 6 inches, it will pass through mechanical shocks. After 4 minutes, calculate final weight of tablet and that of percent friability. Percentage friability can be calculated by following formula like percentage of friability equal to weight 1 minus weight 2 divided to weight 1. then times 200. So weight 1 is weight of before testing, and weight 2 is weight of after testing. So the standard for friability test is percentage of friability be up to 0.5% to 1% for all standard compressed tablet. For every 7 chewable, whiskering, or reducible tablet, the percentage friability should be greater than 1%. So the factor will affect friability of tablet is tablet design, low moisture content, and insufficient binder and over lubrication. Precaution of friability test. Make sure that knob is properly fitted on the shaft to ensure the drum is held in the position. Do not hold the drum while threads are rotating. Do not use aggressive material or solvent to clean the drum, and use mild detergent. The discussion of hardness test. In this experiment, tablets are used to determine the diameter, thickness, and hardness of the tablet. According to the result, the thickness of tablet range from 3.6 mm to 4.35 mm, while the width of the tablet range from 12.76 mm to 12.82 mm. The diameter and thickness are uniform, as a result of which they differ somewhat of one another. The result obtained for hardness of each tablet demonstrates that each tablet will have its unique hardness. And discussion for friability test. The experiment is carried out to determine the friability of a tablet using a friability tester, which assesses the resistance of tablet of abrasion. In our result, the weight reduction owing to the method is 0.0259 n percent, indicating a weight loss percentage of 0.39%. The result is within the pharmacopoeia standard acceptable range, which state the percentage of weight reduction should not exceed 1%. The friability test is essential because tablets are frequently exposed to mechanical shock and abrasion during production. So the conclusion of both of the tests is this tablet hardness test offer a clear picture of how much force is necessary to shatter a solid dose tablet. This knowledge will be essential in determining the tablet resistance to damage during manufacturing, handling, packaging, and storage. Based on the result of this testing, criteria for acceptable hardness level can be developed. The test is also beneficial for evaluating powder international bonding strength, which will aid in formulation conformity with performance criteria. And for the friability test may be performed with the friability tester, which allow you to choose the rotation time and speed. When the proportion of weight loss of pill does not exceed 1%, the test is regarded as success. If not, the pills are said to be poor quality and fail to meet the evaluation requirement. So that's all for me for hardness and friability test. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.